So this lesson is about secants, tangents, and angles, and these are kind of simpler problems. Number 2 gives you a couple more difficult problems. We need to remember all our rules because we've learned about secants intersecting inside the circle, outside the circle, tangents in a secant, and 2 tangents. So keep in mind all those rules. So this one is 2 secants that are intersecting inside a circle. And the rule says that the angle is equal to 1/2 of the 2 arcs that they intercept added together, the sum of the 2 arcs. 90 plus 30 is 120. And so you can hear my dog there. Half of 120 is 60. So angle 1 equals 60. She wants to do some math too. Now, this one is a secant and a tangent that are forming an angle. And that rule says that this angle, it's kind of like the inscribed angle, is half of this arc. Notice they don't give us this arc. But if we know this whole arc, we know that all the way around this circle equals 360, we first just take 360 and minus 250. And 360 minus 250 is 110. So angle 1 is equal to 1/2 of 110. And half of 110 is 55. So angle 1 is equal to 55. This is 2 secants intersecting outside the circle. And when 2 secants intersect outside the circle, the angle that is formed is equal to 1/2 the difference of the 2 arcs. So I take the 100, which is the arc that is intercepted by the secants, and I subtract this little arc that's also intercepted by the secants. And 100 minus 40 is 60. 1/2 of 60 is 30. So angle 1 is equal to 30 degrees. This problem is we're trying to find the angle formed by 2 tangents. Notice the points of tangent C. They just touch the circle, they don't go through. And this rule says that angle 1 is equal to 1/2 the 2 arcs intercepted, the difference of the 2 arcs intercepted. Again, I only have this arc, but I don't have this arc. Well, how can I find it? Well, I know that all the way around the circle is 360 degrees. So I subtract 160 from 360. I get 200. What is 200 minus 160? Well, that would be 40. So I need to take half of 40. Half of 40 is 20. So angle 1 is equal to 20. And those are some simple problems for secant tangents and the angles that are formed by them.